Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Beautiful collection. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, fine straight hair. Some ideas, spiky hairstyle. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas too short, too small, weaving curl on hair. Curly hairstyle. And different ideas of spiky hairstyle. So beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color. Grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And so attractive ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color. In funky color. With different ideas of base color. And many much more ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered. Some ideas step. And many much more latest and trendy ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friend, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.